If your room looks boring, messy, or just not giving the vibe you want, but your budget is basically zero, this video is for you. You do not need expensive furniture or Pinterest. Level money to make your room look aesthetic. Let me show you 15 easy and cheap room decoration ideas that any teenager can do. Let's start. First idea, photo wall. Print your favorite photos. Selfies, friends, pets, anime screenshots, K-drama scenes, anything. Stick them on the wall in a grid or random style. You can use tape, sticky tack, or even handmade paper clips. Instant personality added. Second, fairy lights. This is literally the easiest glow up ever. Put them around your bed, window, mirror, or photo wall. At night, your room will look 10 times better, trust me. You don't need to buy posters. Print quotes, song lyrics, game characters, or draw your own art. Black and white prints also look very aesthetic. Use magazine cutouts, colored paper, Pinterest prints, or aesthetic images. Choose one color theme like beige, black, pink, or green. Fifth, plants. Real plants if you can, fake ones if you can't. Even a small money plant in a reused bottle looks cute and fresh. Sixth, bed makeover. You don't need a new bed. Just change pillow covers or add one small blanket or throw. Match the color with your room theme. Decorate your mirror with fairy lights, stickers, or washi tape. Suddenly your mirror becomes a decor item. These are cheap and perfect for night vibes. Put them behind your bed, desk, or shelf. Ninth, desk organization. Use jars, cups, or boxes to organize pens, brushes, chargers. A clean desk already looks aesthetic. 10th, DIY shelves. Use cardboard, wooden crates, or old boxes. Paint them and place books, plants, or decor items. Use an old scarf, dupatta, or fabric. Hang it on the wall like a tapestry. Very budget-friendly and cozy. Write positive lines like, "You are doing your best." One day at a time. Stick them near your bed or study table. 13th, string and clips display. Hang a string and use small clips to attach photos, notes, or drawings. It looks creative and cute. Use glass jars or bottles. You can put fairy lights, flowers, or just leave them empty as decor. 10th, one aesthetic corner. You don't need to decorate the whole room. Just pick one corner. Study corner, gaming corner, or reading corner. Focus on that and you're done. Remember, you don't need a lot of money to make your room feel like your space. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more budget-friendly glow up and lifestyle videos. And comment this. My room glow up starts today, so I know you watched till the end. Also tell me in the comments, which idea was your favorite? Photo wall, fairy lights, or the aesthetic corner?